show you guys how I detail motorcycles. Started off a long time ago. It was one of my first jobs working over at Harley Davidson as a lot technician. So I was able to get my experience back then. Thank you guys for checking out another video. Tap that subscribe button if you guys haven't done so already. All right guys, so this part we take the seat off so that we can get a full wash on this, and we just put this here. We're not going to heavily spray this area here, make sure that no water gets trickled down there. We're not going to spray these. We're going to wash and clean all that by hand up there, but we are going to give a bubble bath to the rest of this here. Thank you guys for checking out another video. We're going to give you guys a time lapse of this bike wash here. We're going to give it a quick wash, bring it inside. And then we also have a couple other vehicles today we're going to give you guys some updates on as well. So can't wait for you guys to see the end results here coming up soon. All right, can you hear me? Let's check on these guys. You're fired. Okay. This is a Tesla we did about 2 months ago. We did a PPF with the paint protection film and ceramic coated the whole car along with the glass. So I'll give you guys a little bit of an update too so you guys can see how this one's been over the last couple months. Ceramic coated, we air dry. Blow it all off, very, very lightly pat dry with a towel. All right guys, so we got the Range Rover back in here. This is the one we've done the polish on and done the paint protection film on the little pillars here. We also have one of our camcorder guys. Where is he? Where's Grayson? Oh, he's back here. There's Grayson. We got him here doing some filming for us, so we'll have an intro video to our YouTube, and you'll be seeing that soon. Thank you guys. All right, and we've got James in the shop. Nobody's met James. Say hello. Wow. Put him in, but in a blooper. Why? Yeah, he just uses our microwave. He stands in front of the fan for hours. So we got the bike back in the shop. It is right here, all washed up. Drew's working on the motorcycle. He's about to go home. Time you go home. Drew's finishing up cleaning up the bag. So we don't spray no water up here. Just clean everything by hand. Don't spray nothing into there, but we put the towel down so that way it stops anything from getting in there. Give you guys some close-ups right now. All right guys, update on the motorcycle. Everything is polished out. Drew is putting on the ceramic coating. Say what's up, Drew. And he's gonna do the bags, do the rest of the bike, and then we'll be good to go. All right, and the bike is all ceramic coated. Drew is here, scratching it. We'll give you some close-ups, let you see how everything came out.